Hi friends, web forms are an integral part of any website through which we collect necessary information from the visitors. I mean, to collect data from the visitors, you need a perfect form. By default, almost all WordPress websites have contact form 7, and certainly there are forms as well. In the last video, we seen a reservation form on our demo website. We created a demo website using a WordPress theme called Hotel Lux. I'm sorry, and this is the web form. This is reservation form actually. So it has been created with a plugin called Ninja Forms. But in the video, I shown this demo website. We created this demo website, and I failed to show you in fact the reservation form because it was not available in our installation. It was available only in the demo of original developer demos. So if we talk about the form, it was not available in the demo content. The form should be here, but it was not available in demo import. So this is the thing, and this was a challenge in fact for a new developer or beginner at WordPress to create a web form like this. So creating a web form is not a difficult task, but it may be challenging for if it is having some conditional fields or like checking checkout dates and select room. So there can be multiple types of form, and in this video I am going to show you a perfect solution for creating any type of form. So it is very important to have suitable forms at your website, and you can create any type of form in fact using a suitable WordPress plugin. And yes, if you are having multiple forms for various purpose throughout your website, you are going to collect much information about from your website visitors, and you can act accordingly for growing your business. So you need to have a form, and that should be complete and feasible and very interactive and easy to use for visitors. So in this video we are going to explore the features of a very popular form builder that is available on the with the webmudavid.com. I mean, this is the website, and it has been developed by the WPMU dev. Okay, so this is Forminator, and this video is about Forminator Pro. So this is a pro of form builder, and it is literally everything about the form, and I'm sure you can create any type of form using this Forminator WordPress plugin, and it is complete in all respects. So you can create a login and registration form, multi-steps form, calculation form, subscription form, and poll and quizzes. So in this video I'm not going to show how to create forms. You can create at your own, of course, but yes, I'm going to show you each and every options. I will try my level best to show you each and every option what is available in the Forminator Pro. So we are going to explore the possibility of the with the Forminator Pro form builder, and of course you can create any type of forms using this plugin. I'm going to show you the available fields only, so I'm not exactly showing you what actually you can build. So it is because it is endless, and you can create any type of form in fact. So you can add payment gateways, and so whatever you need with a form you can create with a Forminator Pro. It is simple. So it is most flexible form builder for WordPress, it is called. It has been said by the developer, and with Forminator Pro you can create forms, polls, quizzes for every site and situation. Okay, so first of all let me complete this last discussion. So in the last video I said I will definitely try to add the missing part, the form is not available in the demo import, and I'm going to add first of all a form. So the form plugins can be many. So contact form 7, as I said, is available almost with all WordPress themes, and in this particular theme, Ninja Forms has been used. So I failed to show how to create the reservation form if it is not available in the demo import. And okay, so let us complete the last video first, and after that I'll show you Formulator Pro features of Formulator Pro. I mean the fields and the availability of Formulator Pro, of course. So stay tuned with me in this video. So I'm going to show you all about all possibilities about whatever I can show you. So let us complete the last one first of all. So we used a theme called Hotel Lex in the last video. So in the theme pack there was a folder called demo content, and the Ninja Forms was available here, which I failed to explore in the last video, and I'm going to use this Ninja Form pre-made Ninja Forms, which is available in the theme pack itself. So you don't need to create a separate form. I mean don't need to create of the reservation form at your own, as I said in the last video. So this is just a continuation of last video first of all, and after that we will move to Formulator Pro, as I said. So let us quickly create this form, that is reservation form, and I will jump directly to Ninja Forms. And as we seen, no forms is available except contact me. So we can what we can do, we can use the import export feature, and we can choose the file that is available okay, so I will use this file in the demo content Ninja Forms, and this is one. So I'm opening it. Let us see. Trusted source, check this form from less strict security measures will be applied on import. So this is the trusted source. Of course we can import the form, and form imported successfully. So we can view the form. Okay, great. So it is here, and we can simply publish it. So just cross it. Ninja Forms is also a very good option to create web forms. So we have created this form. In fact, we have not created, we have just imported the form that was available in the demo content, and which I failed to show you in the last video. And we have this website where the reservation form was missing. So I will open that page, reservation, and we can use the short code. We can simply edit the page and make a reservation. We can simply copy the short code that we just imported. This is short code, and we can directly paste on the page. So I have already pasted it on the relevant place, and this is the short code that I pasted, and I have already updated it. I can update it again. So this is the form which is available here now, and it is working, of course. So the children and the check-in date and all. So this was available in the demo import. Similarly, there is another form available. We can import that form as well. So I can import another form, and I'll go to the dashboard. I will use import export function, and I'll choose another file. This is room reservation. That was common reservation, and this is room reservation. And of course this is a trusted source. We can check this as well. So okay, so form imported successfully, and we are here now. So this is another form. and of course we can publish it, and we have now all the forms that we need for our hotel reservation website, and we can use this form at our website, of course. So we completed the last website now with the form, and we are now having the form with us, and we can use this page for reservation purpose, and we can connect it here. So I have already shown how to connect the page with this button, so it is available now. So now it is complete, and Hotel Lux can be used for a hotel website, and I have already shown you the complete reservation system. This is just a form, and in another video I have created a complete reservation system. I have shown how you can create a complete reservation system for hotel website. That is also very important for hotels, and you can create your end-to-end reservation system, booking management system using that particular plugin that has been shown in the video. So you can watch that video. So let us come to the point about this video, and we are going to explore the options available with the Forminator Pro. Okay, so as I said, I am having the Forminator Pro plugin with me, and I have already installed the plugin in fact. So let us go back to the dashboard, and the best part what I have seen in the Forminator Pro, as soon as you will install the Forminator Pro, you will get this alert that you can import the contact form 7 automatically. So if you are using contact form 7 at your website, already using contact form 7, so you need not worry for this, because you can import the forms very easily here. So if you are having these forms, like these are 2 forms that is available on this website, so we can simply import the contact form 7. So simply click on this button, and the forms will be imported directly, and it is simple all, and I'm choosing nothing, so recommendation, and now we can simply deactivate the contact form 7. So this is the first action, so we don't need contact form 7 now. And I believe we are having some forms at Formulator Pro now. This is dashboard, and we have 2 active modules. 2 forms are here, so we can check the imported forms. Initially it was nothing, there was not any form. So contact form 7 is here, and example form is here, so it is published, and we have all the options further. So just for an example, I can show you the form, short code, unpublished options, view submissions. So it is important, because contact form 7 does not provide you feature to collect data on the WordPress dashboard. So that form capture data goes to your email and the visitor's email, so you cannot store the data without any add-on to the contact form 7. This is the biggest drawback in my view with the contact form 7, and here that limitations is gone, and you can collect the data here, and if it is if any data is here, it will be definitely displayed here. So this is a biggest achievement with any additional, the professional form builder, that you can collect the data at the WordPress dashboard, and you can use the data for further marketing purpose or CRM purpose or whatever. So we have 2 forms now, and I was showing you some features. So we have submissions, and we can duplicate, export and delete. So view stats, so how many times it has been used and all. So now coming back to the dashboard again, I am going to show you very quickly what we can do with the Formulator Pro. So first of all, we can create forms, and what type of forms we can create. So I will simply click on create. So you have all options here. You can create a blank form, you can start creating your forms at your own. So I'll first show you a blank form, what fields are available. It is very important, because there are many fields available for creating blank form. So this is a blank form that we are going to create, and we can insert fields. So I was just willing to show you these fields. So we have pre-made fields here. We can insert any of these fields. So name, email, phone address, website, phone number, text area, input, calculations. It is very important, and you can use the calculation fields and select data picker, date picker, sorry, and time picker, file upload option, the HTML, captcha, post data, and even you can have hidden fields. You can have the payment gateways, e-signature, and new sections. So there are 25 plus fields, as I can see here. So 25 plus form fields are available here. So you can simply use any of these fields at your form. So this is very advanced options available with the forms. And you can set the appearance again. So it can be set flat, bold, material, or none. So whatever you have to explore all these things. Behavior again is another thing. So what happens after submission of forms, like if we are willing to add the behavior, so it is label or redirect user to a specific URL. It is very important. You can hide the form once it has been submitted, and auto close success message after 5 seconds. And you can also put some conditions, like you can add condition when this behavior will be processed. So you can add conditions as well. So once you create the behavior, you will be able to set the conditions as well. So this is another good advantage with this form. And you can also have the PDFs, and so multiple options are here. You can definitely explore all these options, what you can use, like autofill, security, honeypot, protection, or logged in submission only, lifespan, and rendering, save and continue. So there are multiple options. And email notification, you can set all here. So we can go to the email notification, add email notification. So there can be multiple email notifications types. So email routing can be here, and advanced options are here. So just go from, and you can set all advanced options, and again you can set the conditions. Integrations, so this is another part. You can integrate the form to the available APIs at all. And again setting is available. So data storage, stored data, submission data in database, multiple option value, privacy, you can see. So there are options through which you can really make the form very useful for your data collection purposes. So coming back to the dashboard, I have not saved this form, I have not created, in fact. So coming back to the dashboard, I was just showing the fields. Now if we want to create a ready-made form, like if you want to create a contact us form, newsletter sign up, or registration form, or create post. So just for example, if we are willing to create a registration form, we can simply create a registration form using this options. So I have kept the default name user registration, and so fields are here, username, email, and password. You can of course add more fields if you need. And user registration options, so username, so you can edit the metas of this. So okay, great. And you can again set the behavior, what happens after submission of form, email notification, and all such things. Again, coming back to the dashboard, I'll show you other option, that is quizzes. So we can create quizzes using this option. So knowledge quiz and personality quiz. So if we are going to create the quiz, and we can create a knowledge quiz, pagination quiz or no pagination, this is the option. And collect leads on your quiz, so we can enable this, create quiz. So it will definitely create a lead generation. And okay, so intro about the questions, you can keep the questions, leads, lead generation form. So one form is created by default, and you can add this, edit this form as well. And again, appearance, we have your notification and all such things. So you can use this Forminator Pro for quizzes. And again, if we talk about the third option, that is for polls, this is polls, and I am going to show you the list of fields. Okay, so this is polls again, and we have questions in the poll. It will work like poll, and we can upload images here, and we can upload answers, and we can put default answers as well, and we can set the buttons. So this is perfect for polls, quizzes, and creating any type of form. So of course, setting is here, so we can have global setting. I'll show you the screen to what we can do at the global setting. So this is accessibility, I mean the general options of global setting. You can set for forms, polls, and quizzes. So let us say we are setting the accessibility, that is enable high contrast mode, appearance presets. So we can use the default presets, or you can define a new preset. So flat, bold, and material and all. So data, of course, what should be done after uninstallation, so it can be clear. Captcha, you can configure here. So multiple captcha options are available. So reCAPTCHA is here, and HCAPTCHA is here. So you need to create an account for reCAPTCHA or HCAPTCHA, and you can put the credentials, and it will start working. Again, import option is here. If you are having the contact form 7 at your website, submissions, you can control the submission data. So for how long it has to be want to retain the form submission for, so you can keep it for forever, or you can keep it custom. So it depends on you. And again, payment integration, so you can integrate the Stripe and PayPal. So Stripe works for India and rest of world of course. So for Indian currency, Stripe, I will advise for a Stripe, and if you are using this form in another country, you can use PayPal or Stripe as well. So it is your choice on this. You can simply connect the Stripe by putting the credentials like publisher key and the secret key. So you can have these keys upon the sign up with the Stripe or PayPal. So it is all about the Forminator. I just shown you the fields and the options. I have not created any form, and this video is very limited for showing the complete features of Formulator Pro. I must tell you, this is just an overview of fields. This video is what was about only to show you the fields available in the Formulator Pro. However, the possibility with the Formulator Pro is limitless, and you can create ultimate forms using this Formulator Pro. So I will advise to go with the Formulator Pro because there are many forms builder available. So I will also create other videos. I will show you Ninja forms and other good form builders as well, but Formulator is very comfortable for me, at least. So you can use this. It is your choice, of course, and you can have the pro version, or the light version is also available, and you can have the trial time also. So let us create wonderful forms to collect very important data at our websites. And of course, you can use free forms, pro forms. It is always your choice. I'm just showing the options what is available with the respective plugins. So let us meet in another video in which I'm going to bring another WordPress resource for you. Thanks for watching. Keep building.